Hi everyone and welcome back. So this is your first ever look at the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in silver color and regular Galaxy Watch 6 44mm. Also I have this amazing military style classy design from recreative watch faces that I'll be giving away for giveaway. So do check it out. The images that you are seeing right now are of Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and as you can see we have that rotating mechanical bezel back on this watch this time, and it's a bit narrow or smaller in width as compared to Galaxy Watch 4 Classic bezel. Also these images show many new watch faces that will be coming to older Galaxy Watches too with a software update. Talking about regular Galaxy Watch 6 44mm, you can see that now we have a new color option and that is in gold. Plus bezel size has also gotten smaller on this watch when compared to regular Galaxy Watch 4. Apart from that, Beta 2 of One UI 5 for Galaxy Watch has also started rolling out, and it features a brand new animation when setting up your watch for the first time. So these were some little updates regarding Galaxy Watch 6. Okay, now talking about the watch face design, this is RE23. I have many free coupons available for this giveaway. Just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Design of this face is looking good. We have our step counter highlighted here in this meter form, while day and week of the year are present here. Plus our time is highlighted in this section with battery percentage. If you want to customize this face, you can do that, and we have a lot of colors with this face for the time. Then you can change the color of background information highlighted here. After that you can make this meter into battery bar or progress bar, and you can also change style of this bar. At the end we have many options for the background. So this is RE23. Check it out from Google Play Store, and that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.